Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exam questions and answers with explanation. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund is maintained by NABARD. The first payment bank that introduced integrated UPI on its digital platform is Airtel Payments Bank. ATM card or debit card can be used in which type of accounts? Normally, debit card or ATM card will be issued to savings and current accounts only. How many digits are there in a Aadhaar virtual ID? When you apply for a Aadhaar card, you will get a virtual ID. This virtual ID contains 18 digits number. Which bank has launched the first contactless debit card in India? Axis Bank. Contactless debit card means physically you are not swiping your debit card on the POS system. In which year first RRB established in India? 2nd October 1975. Number of local area banks operating in India? 3. Number of small financial banks operating in India? 11. So you can see 3 local area banks presently operating in India with addresses you can see. Here you can see all small financial banks presently operating in India. Number of payment banks operating in India is 6. Number of nationalized banks operating in India including SBI is 12. So you can see the payments banks. Payment bank name, address also you can see. You can see SBI and other nationalized banks list. Bank name, address, everything is given here. Number of private foreign banks operating in India is 46. Number of state cooperative banks operating in India is 34. What is the maximum credit limit available in Kisan card is 3 lakhs. In which year Kisan credit card was introduced? 1998. What is meant by stale check? Check presented for payment after 3 months from the date of issue, then these check will be called stale check. First credit card introduced by which bank in India? The Central Bank of India introduced the first credit card in India. What street name is used to refer the RBI? Mint Street. Which country has largest mutual fund business in the world? USA. India's first credit information company is CIBIL. Check issued on future date is called post-dated check because these checks will be paid on a future date. Which is the largest commercial bank in India? State Bank of India. Which is the largest commercial bank in the world? Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. The process of remitting foreign money to India is called inward remittance. The process of remitting Indian money to other countries is called outward remittance because money is going from India to other country, so it is called outward remittance. What is the full form of SFIO? Serious Fraud Investigation Office. The headquarters of AU Small Financial Bank is in Jaipur. What is the full form of ATM? Automatic Teller Machine. When was ICICI Bank founded? 1994. What is meant by eNARI? Pilot project of NABARD for digitalization of self-help groups. Digitalization means payment to the self-help groups, collection from the self-help group should be digitalized. This process is called eNARI. What is the full form of IAEA? International Atomic Energy Agency. Who was given the concept that bad money drives good money out of circulation? Thomas Graham. Which is India's first company to open white label ATMs? Tata IndiCash. Chairperson of the Monetary Policy Committee in India is RBI Governor. What is the full form of SDR? Special Drawing Rights. What is the full form of IMF? International Monetary Fund. Customer to pay using safe deposit lockers in bank is rent. Rent on locker. Situation called increasing unemployment and inflation. Stagflation. Microfinance company become the first commercial bank is Bandhan Bank. Most liquid asset is money because it can be easily transferred from one person to another person. So money is the most liquid asset. RBI directed doorstep banking to differently abled persons. Oudh Commercial Bank was founded in the year 1881. Which card has the highest credit risk? Credit card. What is the full form of ATM? Automatic Teller Machine. Loan given to purchase of luxury goods by bank is Sustainable Consumer Goods Loans. Example for unsecured loans, personal loans and credit card loans. Example for secured loans, housing loans, car loans. In how many languages is the denomination of a note mentioned on an Indian rupee note is 15 languages. Currency used in Japan is yen. How to control inflation in our country by Reserve Bank of India? By increasing repo rate. Interest payable on savings bank account is regulated by RBI in India. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe, share with your friends. If you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.